Welcome to a new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for analyzing your orders. Okay, by doing this, you'll be able to get more insights than using the analytics tools within the Shopify. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first step is to go to your Shopify admin panel and go to orders, and from here you can just click on export, and you can just like select the order by date or the all the orders or the current page, whichever suits for your need. Okay, so if you want to just filter and see the orders for the previous month, you can just do that from here, or if you want to do that for the current month, you can do that from by selecting the date, or if you want to do that for all orders, you can do that from here. Okay, so once you do that, just click on export orders and it will send the details to your email address. Okay, so now we can wait for Shopify to send the CSV file with all this order data to your registered email address. After a few minutes, you will be able to receive the orders in your registered email address. Okay, so you can just download this file and you can try to open this file and you'll be able to see all the information regarding your orders. Okay, this is the order export. Okay, and after that, what you can do is you can go to ChatGPT and just upload the file to the ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the file what we have exported, and just upload this one, and you can just enter the prompt. Okay, check this Shopify order export and answer to my questions. Okay, you can just do like this and just click on enter. Okay, now ChatGPT has checked your order data, and you can just start asking the questions to ChatGPT. Okay, so here I'm just going to ask few questions and see what it's giving. Okay, can you tell me the most sold product? Okay, so by selecting the orders, like when you are exporting the orders, if you are selecting by date, you will be able to understand it according to your date. Okay, or if you want to analyze the products for January or for February, you can just do that. When you're uploading the order, you can just make sure that it's the correct order data. Okay, so now ChatGPT will analyze the data and it will give us the details. Okay, you can see that this is the detail. Okay, with the SKU this one, because actually this is a test order data, so that's why it's not giving the exact data, but it says that the product with SKU, this one is having more orders. Okay, and I can just ask the how many orders this product received. Now you can see that this product received 86 orders. Okay, now I can just ask it like which four are my top sale location. Okay, so it will just list the top orders what I have received from the location basis. Okay, so from Dubai I have received 601, and from Abu Dhabi is 576, and like this. Okay, and if I need to ask, like if I'm can you give me the source of orders, which means like if as this one is a test order, I won't be able to receive the exact answer, but if you're asking this one, you'll be able to know from which source, like whether the order is created from Google or from Instagram or Facebook. You'll be able to do that because these orders are created as a test order, so it won't give me the exact answers. Okay, and I can also ask which campaign perform well. Okay, if I just ask this one, it will also give me the answers if I'm using the real orders data. Okay, so by using this one, you'll be able to get more insights, more insights regarding your orders. Okay, by using this one, you can like see which type of products got more orders, and you will be able to create more analytics regarding your products. Okay, this is one method in which you will be able to do this. Okay, and second method is like you can go to new chat and you can just paste this prompt. Okay, so I have just created a prompt like this, and you can just paste this one and you can just upload the order again. Okay, so here what I have done is I have just asked the ChatGPT to perform this thing. Okay, so it will just analyze the entire order data, and it will just perform the following task. The task will be like sales performance by product and all these details. Okay, all these details will be performed, and I'll be able to see them as chart or tables. Okay, so let's wait for it to get completed. Okay, so I'll just add this prompt in the YouTube description, and you'll be able to use this one, or you can modify from this. So this prompt is created for real order data. So in my case, I'm using the test data, so it will only perform with certain like informations. Okay, if you are having the real data, you'll be able to get more insight regarding your orders. Okay, so you can just do this for your real data with certain date constraints, and you'll be able to understand how your store is performing. You'll be able to get more insight regarding this, and you'll be able to like create more products or create more marketing plans, and you can also find which location is performing better, and you can just do more marketing in those areas. So now I have just received all these details, and now I can just ask it to show the chart views for the reports. Okay, now it's showing the chart view for all these details, all these reports, like the top 10 best selling products, and I can see all these things and total quantity sold here, and I can also see the daily sales trend. Okay, how the sales trend go within the time. Okay, if you want to ask more details, we can also ask and it will create more charts related to your question. Okay, so by using this method, you will be able to create more reports or more data insights regarding your Shopify orders. By using this method, you can leverage the AI tool, ChatGPT or other tools for getting more insight regarding your orders in Shopify. Thanks for watching.